daikon again.
Hi guys, another week, another video. This is Buri video part 2. I'm going to demonstration cutting daikon and sashimi in this video, and I will share more detail and technique. I will suggest skipping part 1 before part 2. Thank you for watching.
Still can take a little bit. When you guys still go up, push forward, up, when pull down, not moving. So I would say this now is ready to use for the daikon sashimi use. Go up, push, go down, not moving. Just like this. So fingers, the thumb, put here, and then your eye seeing the top, and then your thumb is feeling and holding the bottom. You don't have to do the whole thing, depends. Like how many people gonna eat the sashimi with the daikon. So when you're eating outside, for the restaurant, they're using like a machine. So they still good, but taste is not the same. If you cut like this way, tastes very sweet. Because the machine and by hand is two different ways to do it. I'm not sure you can see by the camera or not, but if not, I'm gonna make one more video for cutting the daikon. So let's stop it here. So after that, we're gonna cut the other way. So if you feel oil, you can actually just fast forward or skip this part. So also when you cut, you can hear the sounds. 1, 2. If you hit 2 times, mean not even. You're not gonna completely cut through the daikon. If you only cut 1 time, better. Like this, not good. Also, you cut straight like this, very easy to cut your fingers. But if you cut like this or like this, always better. And not too high, just a little bit. Enough. Always with the different angle. We're gonna cut some sashimi. We're gonna take out the skin first. You can see it, this part. So what I learned before, when we're gonna cut the sashimi, usually people cut like this. It's just, some people will do that, but actually if you go to some other professional sushi restaurant, when they're cutting sashimi, they actually like this. So they have angle. So see the angle? It's good for sashimi when you're placing on the plate. all the leftover you can use for niki hama, which is green onion chopped with the hamachi meat. You can save for the next time. And then the wood. Now I think you can get it from Home Depot, Lowe's, a lot of places who selling the barbecue equipment. I think we have special order online. Hard to see. So for placing sashimi, usually people start from picking stuff from here. So if the back part is not gonna eat the first time, so we can actually placing the back meat at the back. The other one. For the belly side. And then the oil. So because that is hamachi belly, very oily and fatty, so say cut some lemon.